Hi, this is Bill Filler, and I'm here to give an update on the system apps work for 1404. So I'll start with the update on what we've already accomplished. So we've significantly improved our test coverage across the board on all the apps, and this includes unit tests and autopilot tests. We've made a lot of progress in that area. Moving on to messaging, we've accomplished error reporting and delivery confirmations such that when you send a text message now, there's progress feedback and the ability to resend the message if it fails. For contacts, we've integrated with the Content Hub to allow other applications to pick contacts in the vCard format. And we have an initial implementation of the state saver such that when the app is killed by an out-of-memory situation, it will be restored automatically to the state that it was left in. For the on-screen keyboard, we have accomplished already the key press feedback. So there's a click sound that you can turn on and off, auto capitalization, and reworked the internal architecture to support a more friendly plugin architecture for different languages. On the media player front, we've made a bunch of enhancements to make it work better on the desktop, including key commands for your common features like fast forward, rewind, pause, and toggling full screen mode. On the browser side, we have a prototype that uses Oxide, which is the wrapper around Blink, and a partial QML API for the functions that Oxide provides. So things are moving along well there. Gallery, initial state save and restore functionalities in place. So moving ahead to what's in progress for 1404, we have a lot on our plate still. It's all on track, although we're quite busy. So I'll just briefly go through it. We want to finish state saving for the rest of the applications and improve the desktop support so all the apps work better on the desktop. As well as converting to click packages. Currently, most of the apps are still Debian, and we're in process of converting those to click. On the telephony side, all the more advanced calling features that we didn't get to for 1310 are still on the plate and on track, including emergency calling, call hold and wait, conference calling, and others. For messaging, MMS and multi-recipient SMS are the big work items there, as well as Content Hub integration. And for contacts, we're working on syncing with Google and having that be integrated with Ubuntu Online accounts for authentication. The browser, we need to finish up the Oxide transition, and that's the main work item there, as well as some integration with the Content Hub for downloads. On the OSK front, we're putting in language switching and trying to shore up the predictive text and spell checking functionality. And gallery and media player, using the system thumbnailer and re-enabling the scene selector for media player. The next slide is about at-risk or deferred items, and they're not many at this point. So the app settings, we don't have any settings enabled yet or integrated with the apps, and that's basically just pending some requirements and feedback from design. On contacts, we're going to focus on sync for 1404 rather than import and export. And the camera, the video recording, we're lacking the back-end support to re-enable that feature. And for messaging, the MMS is slightly at risk, lacking some back-end support there that we're hoping will get done. That's all for my update. Thanks, everybody.